Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So I've been selling Epicure now for a couple years, almost three, I think, actually. Wow, time sure goes by fast. Yes, almost 3 years because I started selling it when we moved into this house and it's been almost 3 years, so makes sense. But let me teach you guys how to start a pantry club. So a pantry club in a nutshell means your customers are placing orders consistently to stock up their pantry. In turn, they have some amazing Epicure products. You talk about like lunches, dinners, you bounce ideas off of each other, and you can get that qualified cooking class. So you're happy, they're happy, you can get free stuff, they can get free stuff, everybody's happy. Now, pantry clubs, there's different ways of doing them, and mine might not be the best way, but it works for me, it works for my customers, everybody's happy. So what I do is a pantry club. How I explain it to my customers is if you can commit to placing a $30 order at least every other month. So not every month, but every other month. Because I find people don't want to commit to something every month, even if it's not a lot of money, but it adds up, right? But every other month, that is something that people definitely can do. So I do tell customers that that's something that they need to commit to. And if they do, they will get to be a host for one of those months, and they get to take advantage of free stuff. So typically per pantry club group, I accept about 10 people. So I don't accept more than that, because if I accept more than that, it would take them years until somebody gets a chance to be a free, the host of that month to get the free stuff, because I do it every other month. So I accept a maximum of 10 people, but just as long as I get enough for that $250 qualified cooking class. So you can accept as many people as you want or as little people as you want, but try to keep the numbers low so that way everybody gets a chance to be that host for that month and they don't have to wait 2 years, right? So I typically have different pantry club groups. So group 1, let's say, is about 6 people. Group 2, about 10 people. Group 3, about 6 people, just as long as you have enough to qualify, that's the whole point. And I typically do a draw for who will be the host that month at the beginning of the month so that they know what to expect and they're excited. Plus, I tell the host, I say, feel free to ask your neighbors, coworkers, sisters, brothers, aunts, whatever, to also order something as well, because if they order something, your product sales goes up and then you will get more free stuff. They're excited because they're like, okay, so if I can just get a couple more people to buy, then I can get more free stuff. I go, yes, that's all you have to do. Again, they're happy, you're happy, everybody's happy. But I do take it a step further, and I have a group on Facebook for Pantry Club members only. So I try to post consistently, at least 3 times a week, sometimes more, of just dinner ideas. So let's just say everybody last month ordered a lot of the summer berry dip mix because that's popular. So then I will post different ways to use their summer berry dip mix. Plus, I do try to post about what everybody orders. So then that way people can see sort of what the most popular items are, but then I can just look up on the Epicure website those products and then share different ways to use those products, because you don't want customers to just buy pantry stuff and then never open the bottle. You want them to use it so then they can see, oh wow, this does taste really, really good, I need to order more. Or, oh, this does taste really good, I need to order this seasoning for my mom, dad, sister, brother, because it tastes so good and I know that they will like it too. There's nothing worse than them ordering but never touching their products. So come 2 months later when it's time to order again, they might go, oh, well, I have to spend another $30. I didn't even use my last stuff, but I know I did commit to doing this, so I will order more, but oh, geez, I didn't even open my last products. You don't want that. You want people to be excited. You want people to be happy. The best way to do that is to share different ways to use the products and have them do the same thing. Tell them, share your Epicure ideas. You could even do the more you share. I will enter in you guys to win a prize. You could always give a prize of a product that you happen to have in stock. Yes, you're losing some money, but you're kind of keeping customers happy too, if that makes sense. You know, we all earn commission on every product we sell, which means every product you order for yourself is 25% off. You know, that's how I look at it. So you're not losing a lot of money. Yeah, you're not gaining a lot of money, but you're still keeping people happy. So I typically do a draw at the end of the month to just kind of thank my customers for being in the Pantry Club. It is typically the host exclusive that might have been like the month before, because I do always order the customer exclusives and the host exclusives too, because as a consultant, we can order those from our back office the month before. So I do order them, and then I will, you know, sell them individually, or I will just have it as a prize. Or I'll say something like, whoever spends $80 this month can get entered into a prize draw to win this package, you know. So I kind of think of different ideas. I will offer things like, oh, for today only, any product you want is $2 off, you know. For a $6 seasoning, well, that's a pretty good deal, isn't it? Even for a $10 seasoning, $2 off is still $2 off, but I don't offer that sale to everybody, only to my Pantry Club members only. A common question is, do I have Pantry Club members only in town, or are they out of town too? So I actually do a little bit of both. So I have Pantry Club members that are out of town and in town. So if I'm auctioning off or if I'm doing a prize for stock items, I do tell the ones out of town that if you want this, you do have to pay separate shipping, which is a lot here in Canada. Like for tracked shipping, it's about $15, depending on how much the product weighs. But it's still, they're still saving money, right? It's better if they can pick up because they don't have to pay the extra shipping, since I have it in stock anyway. So that's what I just like to do. And for Pantry Club members, I do give them the option that if you can pick up from me, you do save on shipping. A lot of consultants say that there's no point doing that because then you have to take the time to sort through everything, but I don't mind doing that, and the customers are always happy to save on shipping. I don't know where you live, but here in Canada, we hate to pay for shipping because it's so expensive. So if you can even save like $5, people love that, and they will order more to just simply save on shipping. It's what we do. So good luck, you guys. It's so nice to have a Pantry Club, or many different ones, because you will always be able to get those qualified cooking classes, and the more customers you introduce to Epicure, the more that they will show other people and share with other people, and then it's a win-win for everybody. And you know, they get free stuff, they're happy, they tell other people, hey, it's so easy to get free stuff, you should host a party too. The more you sell, you make people happy, but also the more you make too. You know, you can make this a full-time income, and having a Pantry Club is the best way to do that, honestly. So good luck, everybody. That's just how I do the Pantry Club, but you can do it any way you want to. Just remember, you want that qualified cooking class, okay? I do my cooking classes online, so they just place orders, but you can do it in person too. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.